Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with another video. So I have some hair from a company called ISEE Hair. If you guys check the info box below, I will have all the information provided there, so be sure to check that out. Here is the packaging. I also received a free pair of mink lashes with my order, so I was really happy about that. But let's go ahead and get into the hair. The wig that I picked up is their Mongolian human hair 13 by 6 inch lace front wig. My wig is in the water wave texture. That's what it looks like. It's so pretty, and it's 150% density, so it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It's really natural looking, really suitable for the summertime, especially out here in the desert. My wig is 16 inches long, and here's the inside of the cap. I want to say you have about 4 combs and adjustable straps. And here's what the wig looks like on. I decided to put it on so you guys can see it on me. Love the texture of the hair. I love it. However, I wasn't too big of a fan when it came down to the pre-plucked hairline. You get pretty much about 1/4 of an inch of that pre-plucked hairline. So with that being said, I am going to have to go in and customize it so that it works better for me. Also, the knots weren't bleached at all. The lace was slightly too dark for me. So that is pretty much the cons of the wig. So right now I'm just going in as I usually do, and I'm just customizing the wig so that it works better for me. We're starting off bleaching the knots. You guys have seen this process done so many times here on this channel before. So with that being said, I'm going to make this really brief. I will link a more detailed video in the cards above as well as in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check it out in case you guys are new here, you guys don't really know this whole process, or you guys might be interested. I do throw in this process in all my videos just so that you guys can just be entertained and watch everything kind of come together, because we all know you watching the video and someone's hair is looking bomb and your wig don't look like that, you have some questions, right? So yeah, I just like to throw in this process so that you guys can see it all kind of come together. But right now I'm just going to continue doing the whole shampooing and conditioning process. Once again, you guys seen this done so many times before, so I'm going to just skim straight through this. But yeah, I just also want to say that my last video, someone made a comment and they said, what do you guys do with all of you guys' wigs? Because you know it's 2 of us and we have so many wigs laying around the house. I want to say probably more than about 75. So with that being said, if you guys are not subscribed or signed up for our notifications, you might want to do that, because we have a whole lot of giveaways to be done on this channel right now. No exceptions, because there's just way too many wigs laying around the house and we really don't wear them that often. So yeah, we're looking to have a huge giveaway. So once again, subscribe, hit the notification bell, so that way you'll be notified for when that giveaway comes and you guys are not missing out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this process and I'll see you guys once I'm done. Okay, so here is what the wig looks like now that we have bleached the knots, and I just wanted you guys to see exactly what I meant by the pre-plucked hairline, because you can clearly see it now that the knots are bleached. You literally only get about 1/4 of an inch of pre-plucked hairline. So with that being said, I just kind of prefer to sort of, you know, make it look a little more realistic, a little more natural around the front perimeter. So Alicia, yes, Alicia, she usually tweezes my hairlines just because I'm lazy and she's always willing to do it for me. So she's going in and she's tweezing up the hairlines. You guys can kind of see how she's doing it. She's literally doing like straight back strokes to kind of give it like a brush stroke appearance, if you can kind of see how that's turning out. Once again, I'll link a more detailed video in the cards above so you guys can see exactly her process of doing this, because I really don't know how to explain it. But yeah, that's what she's doing, and that is what it looks like. Looks better, right? Looks a little better, I think so. So right now I am now going in and I'm just removing those excess hairs because we don't need them. No, the hair is not shedding. That is just what Alicia tweezed out. And now I'm going to go in and style. So I knew that I want to do a really deep curved part. because of course this wig is a 13 by 6 inch. So I said, you know, take advantage of that parting space. So I'm doing a really deep curved part, and I'm just using a little bit of water, a little bit of mousse just to help redefine the curls. And I actually like when the hair goes up and out of the face opposed to it going down the face, just because you can really see the front perimeter of the hairline and it looks really nice in my opinion. And I'm just doing really subtle baby hairs. Of course, as this video goes on, I'm going to get rid of those baby hairs so you guys don't have to see them. However, I just like the way it looks on the mannequin head with the baby hairs. It just looks really nice in my opinion. Then I went ahead and I added that clip just to kind of, you know, give it a little volume up there so it's not too flat. So this is about the next day, I think, or maybe 2 days later. The hair is completely dry, and that is what it looks like. Y'all, I know that window in the background is so bright, but I will close it so you guys don't have to worry about the video looking extra washed out. But this is what the hairline looks like up close. You guys can kind of see exactly the job that we did. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the lace. But y'all, I repositioned the camera and I forgot to press record. So this is actually another wig that I had. I'm just kind of showing you guys the process on how I remove the lace, because I switched up my process. I used to do it just kind of cutting it straight across, but now I kind of do like a zigzag motion, kind of going around each little hair follicle so that you have a more of a realistic hairline once you put it up against your skin. So I didn't cut it sloppy on purpose. I did that on purpose pretty much. So yeah, and I also sewed on an elastic strap just because this wig was a little too big for me. So if you do have a big head, this wig is big head friendly. So I went ahead and I popped the wig on, and I'm just using a little bit of water just to kind of break away that hard mousse cast. And I'm adding a little more water and a little more mousse just because I prefer that whole wet and wavy look, especially being that it's summertime. You have to at least try wet and wavy hair during the summertime at least once in your life if you're a wig wearer, just because it's so gorgeous and it dries really fast, but it's so pretty in my opinion. And then I'm using my Got To Be Glued spray just to sort of temporarily adhere the lace down so that we're not having any liftage, if that's the word, going on. And now I'm just once again dousing the hair with some more water just to kind of, you know, get those curls to just pop and glisten. And then going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder just to allow that part to pop. And here is what the wig looks like. Yes, it's soaking wet. And I will have a clip of myself outside just letting you guys see the whole drying process, because all I have to do is go outside for about 5 minutes and the hair is completely dry out here in Arizona, because I want to say it's like anywhere between 111 to 118 degrees. And yeah, all you gotta do is go outside for 5 minutes. But yeah, here's what the hair looks like from all angles. And I want to give you guys a couple of different styling options. I did not prefer the middle part look. It was a little flat in my opinion. So if I can give you guys a recommendation, do allow the hair to dry if you choose to wear it in the middle part, just because I don't like that flat in the center. It doesn't look good. So allow the hair to dry if you want a middle part position. I didn't like it, so I just went ahead and I removed the part altogether. And then I just went ahead and I, did that whole little tossed over early 90s sort of look, or 80s look. Is it 80s or 90s? I don't know. But I love it. I love the length of this hair in this sort of style. It's really effortless, and you just want to just add a little more water and scrunch it in your hand if you want to redefine those curls. But I actually prefer this look opposed to the look with the part. And yeah, the hair is soaked and wet, but I am going to go outside. Y'all, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram or on Snapchat, what are you guys doing with your life? I know I have not been consistent on my social media platforms, and that's on my behalf. I'm sorry. But I will be, trying to get back on my social media grind and, flossing on the gram and on Snapchat. So you guys follow me if you guys want to see more pictures, more videos, and yeah. But yeah, here again is the hair is pretty much dry. I want to say it's maybe about 90% dry. And I'm loving the frizz, I'm loving the curls, I'm loving everything about this hair. You guys do check out ISEE Hair. I will have all the information located in the info box below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you're notified for that giveaway I'm talking about. And yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.